Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to Google. And here select settings for Google Apps and click on search assistant and voice. Then here select Google Assistant and here select general. Click on general, then turn on the button against Google Assistant. Your assistant helps answer your questions and get things completed. Okay, just turn on this button. And yes, preferred input is voice. Okay, you can also use keyboard. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on and activate Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.